Good day, students of life sciences, and every other person who has been inspired by the wonderful mission of BioPurpose Mobile Institute and wants to be a part of this online class. My name is Prince Orazu. I am the founder of BioPurpose Mobile Institute, Biology Made Simple online class, Cycle Learners Club, and Leaders Inspire movement. In today's video, I am going to be answering a simple question which I was asked by one of my members of this class. How can we deal with diagrams in biology? Now the answer is very simple. Yeah, of course it's simple. Why then is this online class called Biology Made Simple? Okay, before we go into the simple answer to that question, please click the subscribe button, put on your seatbelt and hang in there as much as you can, because as usual, I have a bonus tip for you. Now let me rephrase the question. How can we master diagrams in biology? Number 1, association. Always try to relate the new diagrams to old ones you know already. Your brain does that automatically sometimes. For every new diagram you meet, your brain is trying to establish a link between that diagram and some old one. In short, use the one you are used to in understanding the one you are not used to. But wait a second, you might be asking, how does an old diagram help me to master a new one? Yeah, you're used to the structure of the old one, right? So it takes a bit of a link between that old one and the new one in order to make the remembering of the new one easier. Okay, I know some curious guys will still not be satisfied with my explanation here. Now if you want to know more about association, both neuroscientifically and otherwise, please check out our YouTube channel at Cycle Learners. The link is in the description box below. Number 2, writing. Yeah, writing. You know, the common mistake that students make most of the time is to try to memorize the labeled parts of a diagram while looking at the labeled diagram. Well, that's good, but not right. When you encounter a diagram, please don't jump right into memorizing the labelings on the diagram. Take a jotter, write down and group those labelings, then start memorizing those parts using the method that I explained in the previous video. Now once you're done with that, use visualization to place those labelings on the diagram as much as you can. Now wait a second, why do you have to place the labelings on the diagram yourself? Yes, so you can trick your brain into thinking that you are the one who named the diagram and not otherwise. Will you ever forget what you named? I guess the answer is no. Okay, now as a bonus tip, how can you deal with a diagram that has 30 to 50 or more labeled parts? Am I really being serious here? Of course I am. Don't worry, you got me to help. Okay, in use cases like this, I use a method that I named DAC, D-A-C, which means divide and conquer. It is just like cooking some meat of uneven toughness in the same pot. As all of them cannot get cooked evenly at the same time, you have to cook them together first, then remove those ones that are cooked properly, and then continue cooking others again. Now you will have to carry out the process over and over again till all the meat are cooked properly. Okay, you can scratch off the meat example if you like. Now when you see a new diagram in biology or anywhere, at first there are some parts of that diagram that are relatively easy to recall instantly after taking a look at the diagram. Write down those ones, they are the cooked ones. Then focus on the ones that have not sunk in yet, they are the improperly cooked ones. Do this over and over again till you have no problem recalling all the parts of that diagram. You can also apply this while drawing the diagram. Please take your time to do this if you really want to master a great deal of that diagram. It will be worth the while. If you like this video and believe it will be helpful and would also like to master some more of these strategies, techniques and tips like this one that could be applied specifically to your own field, please check out our YouTube channel at Cycle Learners, where I'll be explaining more about association, writing, and DAC and their cognitive importance as well. The link is in the description box below. To my wonderful audience, if you are facing any difficulty with a complex diagram in biology and would need some help, please visit me on WhatsApp by clicking the link in the description box of this video, or save the phone number on this screen. If you have already subscribed to this channel, please send me a message on WhatsApp so that I can add you to our WhatsApp community so as to gain an easy access to me and other members of the community as well. I'll be going for now. See you soon.